Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We are going to start with the lesson that is unit of measurement, and the lessons we are going to cover from the lesson are measure using an inch ruler, which customary unit is appropriate, compare and convert customary units of length, compare and convert customary unit of weight, compare and convert customary unit of volume. So let's just start with the lesson that is unit of measurement. So here I'm on grade 4 math. The chapter we are on right now is unit of measurement. Let's just start with the first lesson that is measure using an inch ruler. Hold on. We're going to start with the lesson that is unit of measurement, and the lessons we're going to cover from the lesson are measure using an inch ruler, which customary unit is appropriate. Okay, so how do we measure? You are given you have to move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inch. You are given a line, you have to measure the length of the line. How do we measure? Basically, we have to place the ruler, like here is ruler. Start with 0. You have to line up the left end of the line with the mark 0. Just line up this 0 and this end of the line, right? And then the right end of the line is at the 1 inch mark. The line is start from this, like line up these things, start from here and see where the line ends. So the line is just 1 inch. The correction is 1. You can make different lines on your notebook. Keep your ruler with you and measure the lines, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. You are given the lines, you need to measure those lines. So you can do the practice questions. You just make different length of lines. Use your ruler, place the ruler, line up and measure the lines. So move the ruler to measure the line. So just move ruler over here, line up the 0 and the line, and you can see, I think that would be 3 inches long, isn't it? If you move it here, it would be around 3 inches long. The correct option is 3 inches long. Yeah, right? The correct option is 3 inches long. Okay. Move the ruler to measure the length of a line to the nearest inch. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is the line is just 1 inch. The correct option is 1, right? Very good. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to nearest inch. So, which is the correct option? That is just 2 inches long. The correct option is 2. Very good. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inch. So, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 3 inches long. The correct option is 3. Very good. Okay. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line. So, which is the correct option? Yes, that would be just 1 inch long. The correct option is 1 inch, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Do as many practice questions as you can. Find a ruler at your home, make lines of different length and start measuring their length, right? So you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, right? The next lesson customary unit is appropriate. Okay, which is a better estimate for the volume of a sour cream container? You have the fluid ounces or the gallons. So which is the correct option? You are given the fluid ounces or the gallons, right? So that is just a sour cream container. So gallons is too much for the sour cream container. It would be 11 fluid ounces, right? Here you are not given with the options. So let's just start with the test questions, because on the test questions you have options. Okay, which is the better estimate for the weight of a hamster? Which is the correct option? That would be 2 pounds, right? Because ounces is too little. So the weight of the hamster would be 2 pounds, right? That is a comparison between the pounds and the ounces. Ounces is a smaller unit, pounds is a bigger one, right? So that would be 2 ounces. The correct option is 2 pounds. Hmm. 2 ounces is a better estimate. 2 pounds is too heavy. You're right. That would be 2 ounces. The correct option is 2 ounces, right? Okay. Which is a better estimate for the height of a room? So, which is the correct option? That is just the height of the room, right? So, that would be 10 feet. 10 yards is too much for the height of a room. The correct option is 10 feet, right? Usually, the heights of the room are measured in feet. Which is the better estimate for the volume of a bathroom sink? That would be 7 tablespoons, right? The correct option is 7 tablespoons. Hmm. Tablespoon is a smaller unit, right? Pint is a bigger unit. So that would be 7 pence because 7 tablespoons is just too little for a sink, right? That would be 7 pence. The correct option is 7 pence. Which is a better estimate for the distance of a long day hike. So which is the correct option? The correct option is that's a day long hike. So that would be 10 miles. The correct option is 10 miles. Option number one is yes, that would be 10 feet because that is 10 miles, right? I haven't selected the option. Sorry, I'm waiting for the next question, but I forgot. Which is a better estimate for the height of a coffee maker? Is it 19 feet or 19 inches? Which is the correct option? That would be 19 inches because 1950, 19 inches, 1915 is 19 feet is too much for the height of a coffee maker, right? That would be 19 inches. Which is a better estimate for the length of a jump rope? 4 yards, 4 inches. The correct option is jump rope is 4 inches because 4 yards is too much for a jump rope, right? The correct option is 4 inches. 4 yards because 4 inches is too short. Okay, got it. Which is a better estimate for the weight of a bookshelf? 45 pounds or 45 tons? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 45 pounds, right? Because 45 tons is too much for the bookshelf. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is okay. The next lesson is compare and convert customary units of length. Okay, so you are given 1 yard. 1 yard equal. These are the very basic conversions. You can keep the basic conversions in your mind. They are very helpful, right? That is 1 yard equal 3 feet, right? These are the basic units. You have to keep them in your mind. Then you have 12 inches, so 12 inches equal 1 feet, right? Okay, which is more, 12 inches or 1 foot? So 12 in 1 foot or feet, they are same, right? So 1 foot equal 12 inches, so they both are exactly same. Let's just start with the test questions. Stop talking, everyone. Just focus on the lesson we are on right now. No talking. Which is more, 1 mile or 10,291 feet? Which is the correct option? 1 mile equal how many feet? 1 mile equal 5,280 feet. You can note this down, right? 1 mile equal 5,280 feet, right? So which is more? Then obviously 10,291 is more, right? 10,291 feet is more than 1 miles, because in 1 mile you have 5,280 feet, but here the other one is 10,291. So the correct option is 10,291, right? Option 2 is the correct option. Okay, which is more, 12 inches or 1 foot? Which is the correct option? 1 foot equal 12 inches, right? Very good. They both are exactly equal, because in 1 foot you have 12 inches, so they are equal. Okay, 1 mile equal how many yards? Which is the correct option? 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? 1 mile is 1,760 yards, right? Okay, 1 yard equal how many inches? 1 yard equal, no, 36 inches it is. The correct option is 36, not 45, right? The correct option is 36 inches. Which is more, 1 yard or 6 feet? Which is the correct option? I think 6 feet is more because 1 yard equal 3 feet. So 6 feet is obviously then more, right? Okay, 1 foot equal how many inches? 1 foot equal, I think 12 inches. The correct option is 12 inches. 1 foot equal 12 inches. The correct option is option number one. Okay, 3 feet equal how many yards? One yard equal 3 feet, right? Okay. 5,280 feet equal how many miles? The correct option is 1 miles, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is that is compare and convert customary unit of weight. Okay, so let's just start with the practice questions. The first one is 2000 pounds. So 2000 pounds always equal 1 ton, right? So in 1 ton you have 2000 pounds. They are the basic conversions. Keep the basic conversions in your mind, right? So 1 ton equal 2000 pounds. The second one is 1 pound equal how many ounces? So in 1 pound you have, yes, 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, 16 ounces equal how many pounds? Yes, that is 1 pound equals 16 ounces. The correct option is 1 pound, right? Priyan, please write the answers once. Which is more, 1 ton or 2,869 pounds. So, which is the correct option? 1 1 ton equal to 1,000 pounds, right? So 2,000 pounds is more or 2,869 is more? 2,869 pounds is more than 1 ton, right? 2,869 pounds is more than 1 ton, right? Because in 1 ton you have just 2,000 pounds. Which is more? 1 pound or 14 ounces? Which is more? 'That is 1 pound is more, right? Because in 1 pound you have 16 ounces. So 16 is more than 14. Very good. 2,000 pounds equal how many tons? 2,000 pounds equal how many tons? 2,000 pounds equal 1 ton. The correct option is 1 ton, right? Yes, the correct option is 31 ounces is more because in 1 pound you have just 16 ounces. So 31 is greater than 16. So the correct option is 31 ounces. Okay, which is more, 1 ton or 3,688 pounds? So which is the correct option? 3,688 pounds is more, right? Because in 1 ton you have just 2,000 pounds. So 3,688 is more, right? 1 pound equal how many ounces? Yes, that is 1 pound equals 16 ounces. The correct option is 16, right? Okay, the next one is 2000 pounds equal how many tons? Yes, that is 1 ton equal 2000 pounds, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. That is compare and convert customer units of volume. Okay, so you have which is more, 1 gallon or 13 pence? So in 1 gallon you have 8 pence, right? In 1 gallon, 1 gallon equal 8 pence, right? So when you convert gallons and quarts, one quart, 1 gallon is same as 4 quarts. Let's just start with the practice questions. Which is more, 1 gallon or 12 pence? Which is the correct option? 1 gallon equals 8 pence, right? So then obviously 12 pence is more than 1 gallon. The correct option is 12 pence because 12 pence is more than 1 gallon. Which is more, 2 cups or 1 quart? 1 quart equal 4 cups, right? So then which is more? 1 quart is more because 1 quart equal 4 cups. 8 pence equal how many gallons? That is 8 gallons. 8 pence equal 1 gallon. The correct option is 1 gallon. 4 cups equal how many quarts? 4 cups equal 1 quart. The correct option is 1 quart, right? Which is more, 3 cups or 1 pint? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 pint is more because in 1 pint you have 4 cups. sorry, 1 pint is same as 2 cups, right? So then 3 cups is more, right? 1 cup equals 2 pints. 1 pint equal 2 cups, sorry. 1 gallon equal how many quarts? 1 gallon equal 4 quarts. The correct option is 4. 1 pint equal how many cups? 1 pint equal 2 cups. The correct option is 2. 1 gallon equal how many pints? 1 gallon equal 8 pints. The correct option is 8, right? Which is more, 1 gallon or 2 quarts? 1 gallon equal 4 quarts, right? So which is more? No, 1 gallon is more because in 1 gallon you have 4 quarts. So 1 gallon is more than 2 quarts, right? Which is more, 8 pints or 1 gallon? They both are exactly equal because in 1 gallon you have 8 pints, so they are equal. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on the chapter unit of measurements, and the lessons we have covered today are measure using an inch ruler, which customary unit is appropriate, compare and convert customary units of length, compare and convert customary unit of weight, and compare and convert customary units of volume, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So that's all for today. If you have any question, you can please ask. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye.